When your turn signal suddenly starts blinking like it's had 3 coffees, your first thought is usually, great, what broke now? The good news is your car isn't being dramatic for no reason. A fast blinking turn signal is one of the oldest, simplest warning systems in vehicles. It's basically your car's way of saying, hey, something on that side isn't working the way it should. Most of the time, it's not an expensive problem. It's usually a bulb, a bad connection, or an LED mismatch. Here are the 5 checks I do first in the driveway, in the exact order that saves the most time. Check for a dead bulb the easy way. The number 1 cause is still the classic one, a turn signal bulb burned out on that side. Don't just stare at the dash. Turn on your hazards and walk around the car. Hazards flash all corners, so the dead one stands out immediately. How to fix it? Replace the bulb with the correct type. If it's a front signal, rear signal, mirror signal, or side marker, depends on the car. If one doesn't flash at all, you found your issue. If the bulb works sometimes, inspect the socket. A bulb can look fine and still fail because it's not making good contact. Corrosion on the socket, a loose fit, or heat damage can change the electrical load and trigger hyperflash. You'll often see the light cut in and out, or it'll flicker when you hit bumps. How to fix it? Pull the bulb, check for green corrosion, dark burn marks, or melted plastic. Clean light corrosion, and make sure the bulb locks in tight. If the socket is melted or the terminals are loose, replace the socket or pigtail connector. If you installed LEDs, you probably caused it. This is the most common, everything lights up, but it still blinks fast situation. LEDs draw less power than factory incandescent bulbs. Your car thinks the bulb is out because the current is too low, so it speeds up the blink to warn you. How to fix it? The cleanest fix is returning to the correct factory bulbs. If you want LEDs, you need an LED-compatible setup for your car, either proper resistors installed correctly, or coding, programming, if your vehicle supports it. Don't just toss random resistors in, they get hot and need safe mounting. Check the ground if the rear lights act weird. If the fast blink comes with other strange lighting behavior, dim bulbs, ghost glowing, brake lights affecting the signal, or multiple lights flickering, you're probably dealing with a bad ground. A weak ground makes electricity backfeed through other bulbs, and the system sees the wrong load. How to fix it? Find the ground point for that light, often behind the trunk trim or near the tail light. Clean it to bare metal, tighten it, and make sure it's not rusty. If the ground wire is corroded inside the insulation, repair that section. Look for moisture or wiring damage. If the problem started after rain, a car wash, or after replacing a taillight assembly, moisture inside the housing can corrode sockets and cause odd current readings. Also check common flex points, trunk hinge wiring, tailgate hinge wiring, and connectors behind headlights or taillights. Wires can break internally from bending. How to fix it? Dry the housing and replace any corroded parts. If a wire is damaged, repair it properly with a solid splice and weather protection. If it only acts up when you close the trunk, that hinge area harness is a prime suspect. When to suspect the relay or control module. On older cars, a flasher relay can cause weird blinking, but it's not the first thing I replace unless both sides act up. On newer cars, the body control module controls blinking, and it usually hyperflashes for a reason. Low current, open circuit, or a stored fault. How to fix it? If bulbs, sockets, grounds, and wiring all check out, scan the car for body lighting codes. Many vehicles will literally tell you, front left turn signal circuit open, or rear right low current. That saves a lot of guessing. Quick safety note, your engine is fine, but your communication to other drivers isn't. Fix it soon. A working turn signal is one of the cheapest safety features you've got. If you tell me your car's make, model, year, and whether you recently switched to LED bulbs, I can point you to the most likely cause in your specific setup.